Well, hello, beautiful YouTubers, on this beautiful afternoon. How you doing? Just a short video. My expedition and PO420. Yep, got the catalytic converters cut off. Came off pretty easy, and took off the fender splash guard. And you can get in here on these expeditions and do a lot of work. You can get into the manifold fairly easy, which is nice. I got the bolts greased up and about ready to come out. And of course, the studs on the back of the manifold, they never come off. So this is why you have to take the manifold off anyway to get those out and put new ones in. But I wanted to show you something here. Let me crawl up under the vehicle real quick. And I basically just cut it off right there with my little saw. And there's looking back up toward the manifold, and pretty decent room. Now, I couldn't figure out why the PO420 inefficiency, catalytic converter, and all that, you know, the PO420 that a lot of people get. It turns out, if I hold this light just right, you can see there's nothing left inside. The honeycomb right there, see that wire? Look at all the way, you can see all the way down in there. There is nothing left of this catalytic converter. It is toast. It is gone. Even all the way back to the first cat, which comes off on the engine, the elbow, and the big one here. So I'm gonna go out and hunt up a couple cats and put on it. Luckily for me, I have a welder. I can put all this back together, no problem. And this one here, I thought was a resonator. Nope, it's a catalytic converter too. This is where the O2 sensor screws in, and you have one that screws in here. So beware if you have a 4.6 on an expedition, you will have 4 catalytic converters. So I've seen them bad before, but this one here is just completely gone. If I can hold the light just right, give you one more good look at it on the inside. There's some of the what's left of the wiring of the honeycomb, and down in there you can see all the way through. I mean, it's completely melted and gone. So this is why I had a PO420. But the hard part's done. All I gotta do is take the manifold off and prep those bolts on the back there. I'll tell you what, the Explorers are a little harder to do. There's not a lot of room in there, but it can be done. And that's really all I have to do. So this is going to probably cost me a couple $100 and a few days to get the parts. But once I get it all back together, I'll make another quick video and show you that the PO420 is gone. So other than that, I guess I better go and head to the parts store. So give you guys an update later. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.